Adele has had a vocal rupture. There's not even full music playing. You need to tighten up your stomach and cause a tension feel. In this video, I'm gonna break down, react, and review Adele singing Rollin' in the Deep. So let's sing something. La la la! Ooh. Are we ready? I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready. Come on, Adele. Bring it on.
There's a fire
and there
starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit bare.
There's not even full music playing right now. It is just a downbeat and the chord. That's it. And she's still amazing.
See how
just solid.
Every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all.
Adele really likes to create this back-placed hazy sound. The scars of, it's not the scars of, the scars of, and it's got that hazy feel. Here's the thing, you guys. That's what we love about Adele's sound, but that's also what caused the problem in the first place. So the vocal cords sit in your throat like this, right? And they vibrate when the air comes through. If there's a lot of tension and pressure from that air, it's gonna cause that haze sound. Now, we like that, but in the long run, it causes damage. And we all know, or at least I know, that Adele has had a vocal rupture during her concert. And this is simply from overuse and misuse.
The scars of your love,
I just love it though.
I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart instead of your head, and you played it to the beat. Hey, baby, I have no story to be told.
So to get her haze, you need to tighten up your stomach and cause a tension feel. There's a and you want to really feel your stomach kind of tighten up and push as you're going for that sound. There's a fire instead of there's a fire. Really create that tension in order to create that haze. If you want to go about it a little bit more healthy, then I would suggest that you pop open your nose, your cheekbones, your eyes, create that crazy face, and then from there place the sound, breathing in, there's a fire, rather than from below.
But I've heard one on you that'll make your heart burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home down there as a mind sure won't be shared. The scars of your love remind me of.
Listen to the way that she's attacking the notes.
We almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help.
Here it comes.
We could have had it
Woo!
all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart instead of your head, and you played it.
So let's hear how she just did side of your head. Side of your head. There's a little pause in between, and that's from too much air tension. Let's hear it. Here it is.
You have my heart instead
Of your head. That right there, that little hiccup, as you could call it, is from that air tension. So as you're approaching this and you don't want that kind of air tension, you want to sit the note down into your body rather than reach up for it. We could have had it as a low note. Oh! down rather than we could have had it all, which has got that strain and stress attached to it. Now she, of course, is really good at making it sound good and a little less closed and tense, but it's that same kind of feeling backing behind it.
Do you like to sing? Then you should join my Facebook group. We go live with vocal warm-ups, singing Saturdays, warm-up Wednesdays, and even our monthly group challenge with all sorts of prizes. Click the link in the description below and join our creative community of singers just like you.
You played it to the beat, could have had it all.
Rather than up.
Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside of your hand, but you played it with a beating.
Here we go.
Throw your soul
I like this part, it's my favorite part.
every open door.
Oh.
Count your blessings to find what you look for.
Woo!
Turn my sorrow into treasured gold.
Get it.
You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow.
Nice, that was a good falsetto up there.
We could have had it all.
She also adapts her vowels to be back placed. Instead of we could have had it all, it's oh. It's not forward, it's pulled back. You can get this same sound almost by swallowing. For instance, all. You're gonna say all, and then you're gonna swallow all. And you're gonna say all as you are swallowing. All. And you feel that close, all. That's that sensation that we want as we're doing it. You could have had it all. It's ba, back here. Not the proper placement if you want your vocal cords to last a long time, but it is gonna give you that similar adapted vowel sound that she has. If you wanna do this correctly, lift, 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 pop, 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 all, rather than back.
We could have had it all.
Oh.
It all.
It oh.
It all. We could have had it all.
I still love it though.
You have my heart inside of your hand.
You gotta yell along with the song too.
To the beat, could have had it all. Rolling in the deep.
Ah, just groove it.
Have my heart inside of your hands. But you played it, you played it, you played it, played it to the beat.
Woo! Go ahead and click here for my free downloadable cheat sheet on how to sing like Adele correctly. Click here for all of my reaction reviews, and if you're a singer and you want to learn more, come hang out with me. I'm a Facebook group. The link is down below, and I will see you in the next song. La la la.